Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install the TV stand on your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, as you can see on the table now, I already take out the TV stand, and to install it you need to input the TV on the corner of your table like this. To make the input of your TV stand, and you can input the stand to this correct side, so you can see the mention on the TV stand left, and if you input it to the right it will not correct connection, so you cannot input it to the position. The screw will not match for the side, so please make sure that you see the mention on the TV stand. Okay, now input the left stand, and you need to stay connect it and screw one screw first, another screw to the TV. Okay, so now it's finished. Just turn your TV back to normal position. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video. How you can install the TV stand on your Samsung Smart TV. And now, thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.